Welcome. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create props with cloud simulation. Also, we'll make a normal map so we can use a low poly model. To start off, I'm gonna add a plane with Shift A, Mesh, Plane, S to scale, then S, Y to scale on the Y-axis, then press R to rotate it, Ctrl A and apply the scale. We need more geometry, so into edit mode, press Ctrl R with the mouse wheel, increase the number of cuts. Again, Ctrl R. Press A. Right click and subdivide. In this window, increase to 10 cuts. Now I'm gonna select these vertices, hold Shift click, four vertices here, and 3 vertices on this side. Now in Object Data Properties, click the plus button and hit Assign. Go back to Object Mode. In Physics Properties, add Cloud. I'm going to increase quality steps to 10. Also vertex mass to 0.3 and air viscosity to 5. Now scroll down under Shape. In Pin Group, select the vertex group that we created. Now in Shrinking Factor, set to minus 0.13 or so. In Collisions, enable Self Collisions and you can increase the quality. Now in the timeline, make sure it's in the first frame and hit play. Right click and shade smooth. You can play around with the settings so you can get a different result. I'm happy with this, so I'm gonna apply the cloud modifier. Right click and convert to mesh. Now let's make the normal map. I'm gonna rename this to tent_high. Duplicate it with Shift D, and for this _low. And for something like this, we can use remesh. In Object Data Properties, under remesh, hit quad in quadriflow. I'm gonna use 500 faces and hit OK. Now this is 400 faces against more than 3000 faces of the original model. In Edit Mode, press A. Now press Alt S to scale along the normals. And just move the vertices to prevent overlapping. We can enable the proportional editing. Use the mouse wheel to modify the influence. We need to create the UVs for the low poly mesh, so let's go to UV editing. In edit mode, press A, then U, and hit and grab. Go to shading, and create a new material. You can name it. Now Shift A, Texture, Image Texture. Click New. Choose the resolution. Name it. And we need to switch to non-color, and now connect into normal. Then Shift A, Vector, add normal map. Now we need to select the texture. This is very important, otherwise it won't bake the normal map. And now here in the outliner, hold Shift and select the high poly. Go to Render Properties, switch to Cycles, now under Bake, in Bake Type, select Normal, also select it to Active, and choose the margin. Now I'm gonna open here the UV editor, select the image we created, and now we can hit bake. And that's it. As you can see, this is the low poly model with the normal map applied. We need to save the image, otherwise we can lose it, so be careful with that. Now we can add a color texture or use a solid color. Now let's create the next model. For this I add a plane and also two cylinders. Just subdivide the plane with Ctrl R. And make sure to apply the scale, and now add the cloud modifier, increase quality, air viscosity, and for the cylinders add collision, and now hit play. right click and shade smooth. We can also add a force field, wind. Increase noise amount, and I'm gonna increase strength to 7000. Hit play. Now right click and convert to mesh. In modifiers, we can add a multi-resolution modifier. Hit subdivide and go to sculpting. Here I'm gonna use this brush, draw sharp. Just lower the strength. I'm just trying to define the folds. By default, this brush will subtract, but if we hold Ctrl, it will invert to add. Now we can bake the normal map with the same process as before. Thank you for watching and hope you find it helpful. Bye.